And we are in front of an interesting Dreamer Citycamp for the 2025 edition. And this looks like you can use it for your standard city adventures and taking your kids to school, and also on the weekends camp with the pop-up roof and additional bedding inside. We have this take-out 4-sitting area with additional sitting on the back and getting on the back side. We are looking at this mattress to fall down and get the first bedding from that part. On the back side we have the hookup for the actual water, turn on off, additional storage space here, and additional cabinets right up there. If we are looking into the inside, we shall be going from this part, where you can enter this Dreamer also from the left and right. And checking out the kitchen, you have the slide out for the actual cookware, additional space right up there, and an additional space on the lower part. Closing off, we have one cookware with a sink on that part. And then if we are looking on the front, we have the new standard 4 transit chassis with all digital cockpit and the drop down bed. Now this is an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sitting option, but yes, it's really modulable, so you can select your own and going around. We are looking at a fridge probably mounted right up there, but I'm not sure, pretty hard to enter, and I will be trying to check up. It's not the fridge. So yeah, this is a camper with no fridge at all, but well, you can get yourself up with additional fridge solutions. And yes, we have the Webasto heating your camper. This was a small look of the Dreamer for the 2000